Another filler. Zach Miller, Tony Romo, Simeon Castille, 100 of 999, Matt Leinart, and Lindell White. Yeah, this pack looks extra thick there. Thicker than the rest. Hopefully it's some kind of patch or something. And yes, it is thicker than the regular jersey card and filler. So hopefully, yes, it is not a filler. You can see the back border there. We will pull the base to the front. Peyton Manning base. Julius Jones. Roy Williams. Carson Palmer. Brett Favre and the Jets. I think that's the first Brett Favre Jets card I've gotten. And that is the back of a very nice patch card. Very nice 4-color patch. Looks like a nameplate. The L of Fred Taylor. So a nice Fred Taylor patch there. You can see how it squares off the bottom. It definitely looks like an L from his name. It's white, black, gold, green, and then breaks again there on the very edge. Very nice patch. 3 out of 50. So a very nice Fred Taylor patch card. We've got 5 packs left now after that Fred Taylor patch. Should have an autograph left. Another cardboard filler. Jake Delhomme, Eli Manning. Eli Manning playbook, very nice, from my favorite team, the Giants. 247 of 250. A nice Eli playbook. Jeff Garcia and Matt Schaub. Another filler. Willis McGahee, Chester Taylor. A filler. Brody Croyle, Roydell Williams, and Anthony Gonzalez. Down to the final 3 with the hit left. Should be an autograph. Another filler. Greg Jennings, Alex Smith, Selvin Young X, 184 of 250. Guess that's a silver. And a Tony Gonzalez and Chris Cooley. Another filler. Donovan McNabb, Jason Witten, the filler. Santana Moss, player timeline, 31 of 500. Willie Parker, Larry Fitzgerald, and that's it. So we're down to the last pack and I have a hit left, an autograph, so it should be in here unless I got shorted. And it does look like another thick pack, thicker. And yes, it is a thick card there. And it's not a filler, so that's nice. My autograph card is an autographed jersey card, unless I did not get an autograph. We'll slip the back base to the front. Trent Edwards, Larry Johnson, Jason Campbell, Tom Brady, Brian Urlacher, and that is the back. So we will Turn it over. Very nice autograph. Jamal Charles. Awesome card there. A triple Gridiron Gems card. A white piece of jersey, a football piece, and a 3-color jersey patch. Red, yellow, and white. Looks like another nameplate patch there. Very nice card. Jamal Charles. Triple memorabilia Gridiron Gems autograph. Numbered 38 of 50. Very nice card. Of rookie Jamal Charles of the Kansas City Chiefs. 38 of 50. So, a nice card. White football and triple 3-color patch there. An autograph, Jamal Charles. So, a decent box. I got the Royal Gridiron Gems, the Fred Taylor 4-color patch, and the Jamal Charles Gridiron Gems triple swatch autograph. So a decent box, nothing that special by any means, but got some decent cards. Hope Jamal Charles turns out pretty good. Don't know that much about him, not that big of a fan of Charles. Could get a chance though if Johnson stays out for a while or gets suspended. So Gridiron gear, nice as always. Got some nice hits. See you next time.